before working with Jumpstart, we would just unload all the vegetables in the middle of the washroom, and then it was kind of disorganized because then we'd also put like the clean vegetables sort of in the middle, and it was just a mess. But after working with Jumpstart and learning about the idea of putting all our bins on pallets, pallets are a great way to designate space. Because we had tried putting tape on the floor to designate areas, but it just wouldn't stick and always come up. So the pallets are a great way to designate where we put vegetables when they come in, because it's off to the side. And then not putting the clean vegetables on the ground, but right into the gator, which is clean. Helps with the flow. Now we have like a clear path, and it makes it easier to follow and more efficient. We store the bags that we pack our leafy greens in covered bins. So we've got like mesclun mix, herbs or small heads of lettuce. This is for basil. And then we have sleeves for lettuce heads.
The University of New Hampshire Cooperative Extension is an equal opportunity educator and employer. UNH, U.S. Department of Agriculture, and New Hampshire counties cooperating. Direct inquiries to unh.civilrights@unh.edu. The University of Maine system is an equal opportunity institution committed to non-discrimination.